You are doing well. We have started our PVcase free training program yesterday. I have uploaded the first tutorial of the PVcase software training yesterday. Now it is our second lectures. Uh, if you are new on my channels, subscribe to my channels, like, share, and click bell icon. Hope you are doing well. And now, wasting our time, we will start our training program. Yesterday, I have explained the frame park. Now, I will start the uh, generate single area. That this is the point. I have click on that. First of all, we have to select create a rectangular shape here. You see that. When we click on that, they will give us the options, multiple area and single area. We will click on the single area. They will give us the options, select PV area polyline, which we have created the rectangular. We have selected this. Then they have selected the alignment point, uh, where you are vertically aligned, you are horizontally aligned. So we are now horizontally aligned. We select this option and click OK. They will generate the options. You see that they generate the number of PV modules as per our selected frames. Now we can move, select the PV modules, frames, move command and select, click here. Now we will give the road in between our layouts. We have selected, move these options. We give the for the road, there are the 22 meters spacing between two mounting structures. So there are the 0.3 meter spacing already, and now I have selected 20.21.65. So they have moved this layout. So you have seen that I have created the layout like that. There are the, you can say that if we select the dimensions here, they give us a 0.35. And if we go in the frame parameters, in the parameter, we have selected the the spacing between the two mountain in the park setting. We select the 0.35 mm. You see that this is the column spacing. If we select the layout information, uh, there the frame information, you see that there is the information. If we select this option, they give us that the length is the 2.384, which I have already explained in the previous lecture, where width, length, the power, the fixed structure orientation portrait to, they give us the information. The frame height as above is the 1.71 meter, and the reference height is the 0.55, and the 5 is that shadings. They give us the angle 12 point, this flat pitch 10 meters, inner spacing. They give us the all the information. You can copy and click it here. This is the information, is the layout information is already present. So today is our lecture as up to that point. Now I will quitting my lecture, because it is the start of the our training program. In the next video, I will explain how to draw the roads, and then we will generate overall layouts and how to export the PVC files, how to generate the shading objects there. There are the many options in the PV case. So how to cabling in the layouts. So in the next video, I will explain how to draw the roads. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channels, like the video, and click the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.